Welcome to the Income Training Kit Chapter 29. How to find guest posting in any niche for backlink. In this video, we will take a look at how to find guest posting in any niche for backlink, step by step. So let's get started. So on Google, you have to search for your keyword and title right for us. Let's say the keyword is diet, insert it in search. So you'll get all the related results. Open a few from them. On the first page, we find a clause for the link that says they allow one do follow link branding in the whole article. You are allowed to put your website link anywhere in the article. All image citation links will be no follow. And below we have a form to insert your name, email, and your message. Enter details and submit. Back on top, we can see the length of the article will be 800 plus words and more information. On next website, we can see also they have their services details. To become a contributor, here they have specified the guidelines. For questions or support, they have given their contact link. Contact them to specify your article details and their article will be according to this contributor guideline. So remember, on Google, you have to search for your keyword and title right for us to find guest posting in any niche for backlink. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to the next video, Chapter 30. How to promote affiliate offers using Facebook fan page. In that video, we will take a look at how to promote affiliate offers using Facebook fan page, step by step. Welcome to the Income Training Kit Chapter 30. How to promote affiliate offers using Facebook fan page. In this video, we will take a look at how to promote affiliate offers using Facebook fan page, step by step. So let's get started. So on Google, let's search for product name plus review and you'll get all the related results. So open the Facebook result from here and just above it we have YouTube review video. So this is Traffic's review Facebook page, and you see its full link from here. A little below, we have its full review posts. And in the About section, we have an affiliate link in the website. Open it. So it will take you to the product's official sales page from where anyone can buy it. So the first place is the website link, where people have inserted their affiliate link. Next is in posts, they have inserted affiliate link. You can see tons of posts here with articles and video links. Now to create a fan page, go to create a page and here enter your page information. First, page name, then category, next is description. Here enter review demo and all the details. For product, go to muncheye.com and from here open your product's link and then the JV page. So from this JV page, insert the product's name on Facebook, and then click this create page button. So now your page has been created, then add a profile photo and cover photo. For these, go to JV page and from here download product images. Then insert those images on the Facebook page and save. After completion, your fan page has been created. Then click on this create post, and for post, copy the content from this JV page or from their ready-made swipes. Copy the content and insert it in your post. At last, enter learn more here and enter your affiliate link or your website link. Then click on the post. So this is how your post will look like. Next is the page username. Here enter your page username and click on create username. Or you can go to this edit page info tab and here enter your username. Also here enter your affiliate link in the website column. Once done your affiliate link will be shown in the website column just like this page. So this is how you can promote your affiliate offers using Facebook fan page. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to the next video, Chapter 31. How to promote affiliate offers using YouTube. In that video, we will take a look at how to promote affiliate offers using YouTube, step by step.